Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Dodge Charger. Drifting is a thrilling technique that requires practice and control. First, ensure you're in a safe, private location, far from any public roads or obstacles. Your Charger's powerful engine and rear-wheel drive are perfect for this. Remember to completely disable all electronic aids like traction and stability control before you begin. This gives you full command over the vehicle's dynamics, which is essential for a successful drift. To initiate a drift, approach your chosen turn at a moderate speed, perhaps 30 to 40 miles per hour. As you enter the corner, turn the steering wheel sharply in the direction of the turn. Almost immediately, give a quick, firm press on the accelerator pedal. This sudden burst of power, combined with the steering input, will cause the rear wheels to lose traction. Be ready to countersteer quickly as the car begins to slide sideways, maintaining your desired angle. Once the drift is initiated, maintaining it is all about throttle and steering control. Use the accelerator pedal to manage the rear wheel spin. More throttle will widen the drift, less will tighten it. Simultaneously, make small, precise adjustments with the steering wheel, counter-steering to keep the car at your desired angle. Your gaze should be directed through the turn, looking ahead to where you want the Charger to exit. This helps you anticipate and react smoothly. To exit the drift smoothly, gradually ease off the throttle as you near the end of the turn. As the rear wheels begin to regain traction, slowly unwind your counter-steering input, allowing the front wheels to straighten. The goal is a seamless transition back to normal driving. If needed, a very gentle application of the brakes can help settle the car. Practice makes perfect, so keep refining your technique for controlled and stylish exit every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.